She gets up early in the morning.
She gets up early in the morning.
Maria goes to the library every week.
Maria goes to the library every week.
The teacher teaches in the classroom.
The teacher teaches in the classroom.
Do you work hard on exams?
Do you work hard on exams?
He goes to school regularly.
He goes to school regularly.
Martin always wears nice clothes.
Martin always wears nice clothes.
Do you speak well English?
Do you speak well English?
My mom goes to the market every day.
My mom goes to the market every day.
The flight arrives at 2 o'clock.
The flight arrives at 2 o'clock.
Rivers flow towards the ocean.
Rivers flow towards the ocean.
Squirrels store nuts for the winter.
Squirrels store nuts for the winter.
James brushes her teeth regularly.
James brushes her teeth regularly.
He loves to play football every Sunday.
He loves to play football every Sunday.
We go to the mall every Saturday.
We go to the mall every Saturday.
My father works in America.
My father works in America.
Do other friends also come to you?
Do other friends also come to you?
My mom cooks delicious food.
My mom cooks delicious food.
She usually eats healthy food.
She usually eats healthy food.
We never go to the cinema.
We never go to the cinema.
She often goes to school by bus.
She often goes to school by bus.
He doesn't play the guitar very well.
He doesn't play the guitar very well.
Does he often ride a bicycle?
Does he often ride a bicycle?
He goes to the gym every day.
He goes to the gym every day.
When do you go to college?
When do you go to college?
Mary goes to the mall every Saturday.
Mary goes to the mall every Saturday.